The footage we're about to see was posted on Twitter on February the 12th, 2020. So let's have a look at this video and we'll talk about it afterwards. Now, as you can see, the motorcycle is parked in the center. So there are two motorcycles either side. There is debris on the floor, looks like it could be magazine. And also there is a box. Now if you look, there's no wind blowing. Nothing is moving the paper, the magazine, the box, nothing's moving the bike. Now, this bike, it's going around, but it's having problems staying in a straight line because the motorcycle steering lock is on. Now, what I can ascertain, because a lot of things are being lost in the translation here, is that when a woman came out, this motorbike belongs to a woman, and when she came out, she noticed that the bike obviously had been moved and was thrown to the ground, and there was some damage. So she went and complained to the people that owned the building, and they gave her some money to have her bike fixed. But they were curious as to what happened, because they said, well, nobody's moved the bike, who touched it? So they wanted to have a look. And so this is how they came across this footage of this motorbike moving by itself. So we'll have another look at it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Till next time.